In this video, I'm going to go over some of the CipherFidget features as well as modifications and alternatives that are available. To start with, we've got the standard CipherFidget. This is a solid color base, solid color upper with embossed text, slightly raised A so you can feel it. And these fit on your finger like this. And you click it to adjust where the A is pointed. Up next, we've got the high legibility version. Basically the same as the standard, except much easier to read the letters. You can get the letters in any color you want. Doesn't have to be white, doesn't have to be black. And with any of these, if you want, you can get multiple tops or bottoms, and they just separate apart like that. You can interchange any. So get your school colors, whatever you need. Up next, we've got a custom alphabet. In this case, this is a randomly generated alphabet, just out of order. Can be used for other lessons where you want to demonstrate that a cipher can become more complex with still the same complexity of assembly. So you standard bottom and then your random upper. Up last, we've got a logo cap. Detail is going to be a little limited on what I can provide here, but just message me, I can talk you through it. And then you've got the highly legible text on the outer edge, totally customizable. All these are made out of PLA plastic, which is a biodegradable plastic. And I have lesson plans available on CipherFidget.com that go along with these. And there's a simulator for most of the lessons that resembles a CipherFidget that you can play along with on a projector screen or anything like that. Thanks for your interest.